ఫ్రెండ్స్, ఎడ్యుకేషన్ వరల్డ్ యూట్యూబ్లోకి స్వాగతం. ప్రీవియస్ వీడియోలలో మన ఇంగ్లీష్ గ్రామర్ రిలేటెడ్ ఆర్టికల్ చాప్టర్ని డిస్కస్ చేసుకుంటున్నాం. ప్రజెంట్ వీడియోలో కూడా మనము ఈ ఆర్టికల్ రిలేటెడ్ చాప్టర్ గురించే ఇంకా కొంత డెప్త్గా డిస్కస్ చేసుకుందాం. మెయిన్గా ఈ వీడియోలో ఒమిషన్ ఆఫ్ ది ఆర్టికల్ మీన్స్ నో ఆర్టికల్, ఇన్ విచ్ సిచ్యువేషన్స్ దేర్ ఇస్ నో నీడ్ ఆఫ్ ఆర్టికల్ యూజింగ్. ఈ పార్ట్ 4 వీడియోలో మనం ఒక్కసారి డిస్కస్ చేసుకుందాము. బిఫోర్ లిక్విడ్స్, omission of the article before liquids, names of liquids. Suppose we know all the liquids are milk, water. We confuse in using article the milk, the water, but there is no need of using article before the milk and water. Simply we say milk, water. And second point is before the names of subjects. Subjects like history, maths, we use now and then by overlook the history, the maths, but there is no need of using the article before the subjects history and maths. So simply we say history and maths. That is the right answer. Before the names of diseases, particular diseases, the fever, the mumps. There is no need of saying the fever, the mumps. Simply we have to say fever, mumps. That is the right answer. Before the names of games, so many games are there in our daily life. The cricket, the football we say, but there is no need of using the before the name of games. So we simply say cricket, football. Before the names of meals, meals means here breakfast, lunch, dinner, supper. Some persons say the breakfast, the lunch, but as educated, as an English grammar learner, we do not say the breakfast, the lunch. We simply say breakfast, lunch itself. Okay. Next, before languages, English, Telugu, Sanskrit, so many languages are there in the world. Various people might speak. That people say the English, the Telugu, but we do not say the English, the Telugu. We simply say English, Telugu. Before the names of single mountains, Everest, K2. The Everest, the K2 is the wrong. Everest, K2 is the right answer. Before the names of continents, the America, the Australia, continents are there, but the America, the Australia is the wrong answer. America, Australia is the right answer. There is no need of using article before the names of continents. Okay, next we go for another point. Before heaven, paradise and hell, the heaven, the paradise is the wrong answer. Simply we say heaven, paradise. Before proper nouns and personal nouns, we do not say the India, the Hyderabad, the Riyadh, the Radha, but we have to say India, Hyderabad, Riyadh, Radha. We do not use any kind of article before proper nouns. Before abstract nouns, honesty, knowledge, these are abstract nouns. Some people say the honesty, the knowledge, but it is wrong. As educated, as an English grammar learner, we have to say simply honesty, knowledge. Before material nouns, there is no use of article, any kind of article. The gold, the silver is the wrong answer. We simply say gold, silver. With the titles followed by the names of the holders. With the titles followed by the names of the holders. hold us. Suppose names Ashoka, Paul. We say Ashoka, Emperor Ashoka, Pope Paul, we say. But some persons may say the Emperor Ashoka, the Pope Paul. But it is wrong answer. Emperor Ashoka, Pope Paul is the right answer. That means here there is no need of using any kind of article. With such nouns as school, college, church, prison, market, hospital, bed, when they are used for the purpose for which they stand, but in the other purpose they are used, then we use article. అంటే ఈ యొక్క ఏ పర్పస్ కోసమైతే అవి ఉంటాయో ఆ పర్పస్ కోసమే వాటిని వాడినప్పుడు మాత్రము మనం ఆర్టికల్ యూజ్ చేయని అవసరం లేదు. బట్ వేరే పర్పస్ కోసం వాటిని వాడినప్పుడు మాత్రము మనం ఆర్టికల్ అనేది యూజ్ చేయాల్సి ఉంటుంది. విత్ సచ్ నౌన్స్ యాజ్ హియర్ వీ హ్యావ్ టు అబ్జర్వ్, వీ హ్యావ్ టు మేక్ ఇట్ నోట్ దట్ ఇన్ అవర్ బ్రెయిన్. స్కూల్, కాలేజ్, చర్చ్, ప్రిజన్, మార్కెట్, హాస్పిటల్, బెడ్, police station, like that. Okay, here after careful examination, after careful observation of this example, we get an idea. First one, he goes the bed every day at 7 o'clock. The bed is here, go to sleep. This is the main purpose. So there is no need of article before the word bed. So here bed is right answer, the bed is wrong answer. Second sentence, the bed is broken. The bed is mainly intended for go to sleep, but your bed is broken. This is another purpose. So here we say the bed. Okay, here we need article. Like this, after careful observations above points, after listening 2 times, 3 times, 4 times above discussed points, you have to practice beats. First one, Raju is also dash intelligent. Raju is also dash intelligent. Second one, dash honesty is the best policy. Third one, gold is a precious metal. Fourth one, I can speak in dash English. Fifth one, Ravi asked dash water. Sixth one, she likes kabaddi. Seventh one, the injured were taken to dash hospital. Eighth one, we invited them to dash lunch. Ninth one, I met dash Ranga last night. 10th one, I came by dash train. 11th one, we have dash more money. 12th one, my friend is suffering from dash malaria. These are the 12 practice bits. After a careful study of these 12 bits, you have to make the answer on your own. Then only you have to check with my hints or clues. Here clues are also given. First one, abstract noun, intelligent. Second one, abstract noun, honesty. So there is no need of article. Third one, material noun. Fourth one, language name. Fifth one, milk or water. Sixth one, game name. Seventh one, primary purpose. Eighth one, lunch, dinner, breakfast, supper, no article. Ninth one, proper noun. 10th one, by train, by auto, on foot, we say simply. Okay. Next, 11th one, single comparative. Double comparative has article, but single comparative, there is no need of article. 12th one, particular disease. Before the name of particular disease, there is no need of article. Okay. Next to sample questions in examination point of view. Sample questions in examination point of view. Rahul is very intelligent boy. Rahul is very intelligent boy. Second one. Here you have to give some pass. Then only you have to go to second question. While during watching this video, you have to give some pause and make it answer. Then only you go to second question. Second one, honesty of the worker is rewarded. Third one, Venkat sir wrote dash English poem. Fourth one, bananas are sold at 20 rupees. Fifth one, we visited dash R&B billing. Sixth one, Lord Krishna went to dash rescue of Arjuna. Seventh one, first one, we invited them to the lunch. Second one, they have arranged the lunch at the Ashoka Hotel. The seventh question is some typical question. Means this is a large question. Option A, one is correct. Option B, second one is right, correct. Option C, 1 and 2 are correct. Option D, 1 and 2 are incorrect. Like this. Eighth one, identify the sentence in which all articles are used correctly. This is one kind of question. This is another kind of question. Seventh one is another kind of question. Eighth one is another kind of questions. In many competition exams, examiner may confuse us. So we have to practice these kind of questions. So many. Eighth one, identify the sentence in which all articles are used correctly. Option A, India is our country. Option B, the Helen Keller was always interested in the blind. C, Pratap is employee. D, I am looking for a bungalow. These are the mainly questions. So thank you for watching this video. ఈ వీడియో కనుక మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే దయచేసి లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి. మరిన్ని వీడియోస్ కోసం మా యూట్యూబ్ ఛానల్ను ఇంకా సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయని వారు ఉంటే చేయండి. ఈ వీడియోస్ను కొంచెం ఫాలోఅప్లో శ్రద్ధగా ఫాలో కండి. ఇంకా మంచి వీడియోస్ అందించడానికి మేము ప్రయత్నం చేస్తాము. థ్యాంక్ యూ. వన్ అండ్ ఆల్.